Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you all know, my name, Chukwunonyelum Enwenam Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu Oraifite. I'm a nation high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa, n'oge awa nke eziokwu, the topic of today is divorce on the rise and what the reason. Now, eziokwu anyị, but before we dive into today's lecture, don't forget that we are in the month of May. Our monthly ritual for the month is still on rise. Our monthly ritual is still on. You can still join us anywhere you are all over the world. This morning I have gone to the temple to make rituals, sacrifices, and prayers upon the lives of those that join us all over the world. Yes. Yes, open it the last day of the month, Kayana Chikotia. So on this way, like what Chikota Ajana Chong, I might tell you, I can go 4 years. We have massive testimonies. But before we dive into today's lecture, Cheta Ishokwa no Bochita, Ishokwa more. Na mgbasa alụmdi na nwunye na-abawanye, anyị wee na-ajụ kedu ihe bụ kpatara ya. N'ọ bụ isiokwu anyị. Ana m ebe a ka nkọwalụ gị ọtụtụ ihe gosiri ịma. Nke mbụ, the motive eji aba marriage nowadays is actually different from what it used to be from the time of our fathers. The intentions, what marriage represents then, is quite different from what people have in mind nowadays. Yes, our forefathers entered into marriage for the purpose of getting or acquiring what they actually need, what is lacking in their family or in themselves. What they actually need is all about what they need. But modern world was like talking about marriage. They are talking about what they call love. And we are asking, is love enough? That I claim love, is this enough to sustain marriage? When love lacks understanding, yes, and trust, I can tell you that love will not sustain marriage when the chiefs are down. But before we dive into today's lecture, I'm going to walk with them back. Now let's proceed. Why marriage of nowadays crumbles? That's why I'm here today, to open your eyes. First and foremost, we should understand what is marriage. 2, we should understand the intent, the reason. Yes, the primary reason, let's remember from Genesis. Chukwu created everything in creation and said, yes, that time we created one. Woman was never created then. In Genesis chapter 3. So the no credema. O were wrote to us. O were Adam. All the animals to name them. That is why we human beings have the capacity to name the creatures. Yes. After naming them, Chukwu can now notice that Adam was never happy to the fullest, the way it should be. Because all those animals, none of them resemble him. We were told that he made Adam to sleep, according to that allegorical story in the Bible, and the woman was made. So the purpose of a woman in creation is for the happiness of the man. So in the original plan, it wasn't there. Yes. The original plan, it wasn't there. So they now created woman to be a joy giver to be a helpmate. Onye ga-eme ka ada wee nwa aṅụrị. So it's all about for the benefit of the man that the woman was made. For the benefit of the man that the woman was made. That is what you should know. Yes. So during the time of our fathers, they understood it very well that when a man is of age, ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na nwa okoboro bidoro esi nri na-ama ọsọ, ịma na oge ọ ga-eji nwaanyị erubere. Because when a man is doing all those house chores, he's no longer happy as a bachelor. Once a bachelor is no longer happy doing those normal routine, those house chores, believe in me, that bachelor is about to get married. So that is what we should know. So when there is no happiness in a man's life, the man will go for a woman. So the primary purpose of getting a woman is to make your joy to be fulfilled. And it comes with benefits. During the time of our fathers, the primary purpose why they are getting married is to have a companion, a soulmate, somebody that will be cooking for him, bear children for him. So it's all about what the man will get. Let me tell you one statement our fathers used to say whenever they want to get married. They will visit Mazi Okono's house. Mazi Okono. We came, we saw a beautiful damsel, and we asked about her, and we are told that she is in your house, she's your daughter. That's why we came. Anyị bịara ka anyị zere agbọ. Anyị bịara ka anyị megide ka anyị zere agbọ. Echefukwala na ndị Igbo enwere ihe a na-akpọ agbọ. Agbọ bụ ihe dị na lineage. Enwere agbọ a na-akpọ agbọ mma. Yes. The epitome of beauty. Onwere family ise bụ mma. Whenever you see them, say, oh, nwa agbọ mma dị ha. Yes. Nwa agbọ na-adị ogologo ndụ. Nwa agbọ na-ejete oke akwụkwọ. Nwa agbọ nwere amamihe. Nwa agbọ nwere ọmụmụ. And so on and so forth. So the primary purpose of our ancestors, our fathers then, bụ ka anyị bịa zere agbọ. Maazị Okono anyị bịara na be gị ka anyị zere agbọ. Ka anyị were ihe dị mma na be gị. Maka na mgbe our forefathers used to get married based on agbọ. Maka na ọ ga-abụrịrị agbụrụ. Asịghị na agbụrụ dị etu a na ịma anụ nwaanyị na ya nke a na ịma anụ nwaanyị na ya. Ọtụrụ ọsụ ka ọ dị kịta anyị na-apụta ọrụ oyibo, nwoke na nwaanyị nwere ike imite onwe ha na Lagos n'ụbadị na nwunye. Without even tracing their roots. Mmanụ na agbọ ha na agbọ ndị nwere ike ịnụkọ. Maka na ọ nwere agbọ nwere short life. I kwesịrị ijekwanye nụ na agbọ nwere short life. Maka na ịfụrụ ya na Lagos, maka na itresoro agbọ ya. Mana mgbe gboo ana m achọ ịgwara ihe why divorce is on the rise. Gboo ahụ a na-etrace root. Ọ bụrụ agbọ na-enwe short life, ịma na ị kwesịrị ije na agbọ na-anọ ogologo ndụ. Ajụọ na agbọ a na ha na-anọkwa na be di. Ebe a ka a na-ene na agwa nwaanyị. Maka ya na-asị kedu ka nne ya si eme. Ọ bụrụ na nne ya ewe agbọ nwaanyị na-agba n'ilo, a ga-asị na agbọ ha na-agba n'ilo. O nwere onye ya anụ ya. So o nwere ihe a na-trace to the root. So the primary purpose why most marriages fail nowadays is because people are no longer paying attention to abo, the lineage. Here jimara ka abofu. Nke bụ abụ. So ịmalụ na ihe ndị mmadụ ji eje anụta ndị nwunye mgbe abụ ka ọ nụta onye ga na-esiri ihe ndị ga na-amụtarị ya ọmụmụ. It's all about for the well-being of the man. Being the person that you pay the bride price. Because the piper dictate the tune. All the man na-abịa anụ mara ihe ọ chọrọ. Ọnọdụ etu anyị jee n'ahịa enwere varieties of things. Gịnwa bịara igwe ahịa amarugo exactly ihe ị chọrọ. Ọgụnwa ya eje go exactly ihe ị chọrọ as it pleases you for a reason best known to you. So her fathers married for the benefit of what they are going to get from that building that augur. or that relationship of that two family bonds. So it's all about what they are going to get by marrying this family, from this family. But nowadays, because of ihe ndị anyarị mere anyị, colonizers, they came with this word called love. And that word called love is the problem we are facing nowadays, I can tell you. Now, this word called love, they said is, but then the Igbo what love is all about. The Igbo know if you are seeing my face and my eyes, I'm seeing your own eyes. You have from Nanya. But then go no love is blind. That is, I call those things that are love nowadays infatuation. Infatuation go the body chemistry. Well, how the way the body they do it. Of who I don't the very body they do he said no love. But I'm worried. Last night, one lady in a chat him na my inbox. They better mark, I get the corner back. Now what I'm working in I did not matter what the email. 4 months gone. 4 months gone. And the boy was like, Nyamari he knew. That the guy have moved on with another person. He been on Facebook sharing another woman's post. Why don't another woman who they were at the family line? 4 months gone. Now, he on a busy aquabu near Nandi Madagamoyamu. Near what she like want to look somehow. Now, Nyamari here agwa moya because the pair is late. Nyamari here agwa mana ikuni begeme. I was like, oh, you did not think of all this before opening your leg. So then I check oh, this same boy I wanted to swear, nah, you are sugar in my teacup, your umbrella in my own. Therefore, oh, yeah, John when I say mogo, ne buchi, here ne kunkia yemen and kia yemen. Ne kukulova. You tell ya, I want to turn them mother or groovy because hide the neighbor he had an apple or they had a message. You want to organize not a message. Just water sample of 10 single mothers. Draw her, he had made a hard single mothers. Haga, well, you know, because the hard lied and all sugar coated tongue of a young man. So, see what he had an apple of kitchen or yet in a waist beam. Natalia, let me give you advice. If you want to get married, look for somebody that has what actually you are looking for. Somebody you know that will be of great benefit to your own desire. It could be that not only are they so intelligent, giving you good advice that will be of great help to move your business or whatever you are doing from point A to point B, advice-wise. And you now see it as very valuable assets. Or knowing the two about no more beha. Nature of the idea of Mujo. More than a family had a long life. Family name a short life. So by virtue of marrying a woman see from the lineage of long life, that Obomando had been the Amra had a long life. Once so step through, she stepped into your family compound. Those spirit of short life can be broken because it's a covenant. Only him marriage choose mother. Now by the time he married from the family of long life, Obuwanwa see from Benia, Merona Hadi and Obatana or break the protocol, existing protocol of the Nabona, no one be an abona munike. So whenever we keep a spirituality out in so okay, what you saw in here, game me. Yes, this is exactly what they are looking for. Just take your time, don't rush. Even if you see the person, you can be casual friends, but pay attention to see if actually what she has is actually what you need. If it's not what you need, allow her to be. But you people are talking about what I don't understand. What is love? See, my father married my mother without love. Even go on any man, I'm sure your own father married your mother without love. You know why? My father used to be an engineer, a mechanic working for my grandmother's his cars on a motor. So by either Moto, my grandfather from my mother's side now saw my father as a very honest mechanic. And by the time my mother saw his daughter, he now went to him and I want to marry your daughter. But because my father was not rich, but because he's very honest mechanic man, and my grandfather from my mother's side now decided to give her daughter out in marriage. And before then, my father have not even seen my mother face to face. So the parents just say, Mwam Jebe, he's a good man. He's not rich, but he's a good man, very honest man. Is there anything like love? Even your own mother, I'm sure that your own mother, maybe somebody linked them, or maybe your own father said, it's a good go get away. Can you know I didn't be a mazo corner? Na money had and I'm no more a bobby, why I man I like it. Just like that. Half I know her link here. What I can ask him, mommy, I don't know about Mom Jebe or that all Igbo family. Again, you move. And those time, those area annual in that way, the success rate of their marriage is 95 or 98 over 100. But nowadays we are talking about what I don't understand called love. Many marriages are in shambles. I can tell you now, if you go to marriage register, I can tell you that 50% of marriage today after 10 years ends in divorce. Because we are talking about love, what we don't even comprehend, can't comprehend. So such a thing doesn't exist. I don't want somebody to tell me about love. What I'm advising you as a woman, they are very sincere and hardworking. They need such attributes for you. Man, people that allow social media to deceive you. Maybe you are not even showcasing what your family stuff is. You might find it very difficult. And by then, if you don't blame one the spirit, blame one the begin not hard responsible for not getting married. So what I'm advising you is all quality we get to onye chọrọ ihe well. So ịbụrụ nwanyị na-egosi ihe anwa ejiri mara gị. Yeah, what you can do, what you can bring to the table. For the one I say, character, hardworking, whatever, contribution you are bringing. Give him okay. Chain one, my advice is take it from me. He can enable the acclaimed love one in a profess to you. No. Check here, this woman you want to marry. Okay, fit in to your vision, to your dream. I will not even then go not here as not an asset to help you achieve and be where you want to be. That's my advice. I will not need to follow the word love. Okay? I'm talking out of experience. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, Mom, talk about our family, chat me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672 or 0813 8243 871. Now on screen let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị. Ezi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu Oke Pụrụ Ime Ihe Niile be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie, udo dịrị unu.